I think yung appealing sa conspiracy theory, more than the content, is the style of inviting people to be part of producing knowledge. Ang term nga nila doon ay participatory disinformation, di ba? Na hindi lang siya basta disinformation na top-down. Parang may role din na bottom-up nang gagaling yung disinformation. So baka pwede rin siyang gawin ng advocates for truth. Siguro yung isang example lang na gusto kong gamitin dito is may isang study na nag-compare ng pro-vaccination website at anti-vaccination website sa Netherlands. Yung pro-vaccination website, information lang. This is the truth about vaccines. Pero yung anti-vax na website, mas interactive siya. They encouraged viewers or users of the website to upload their own information, have a conversation, and then decide for themselves. Ano yung mas naging engaging and more effective, di ba? Malamang yung anti-vaxxers kasi it encourages people to engage and be part of it.